Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, JasmyCoin, currently ranked 146 on CoinMarketCap. In the last 1 month, we have seen JasmyCoin lose more than 27% of its value. On a weekly time frame, JasmyCoin is down 8%. On a yearly time frame, Jasmy is down 86.8%. All coins are down bad. We're deep in the crypto bear market. JasmyCoin is going through its first full crypto bear market. In this video, we're taking a look at the JasmyCoin US dollar price chart. Is the bottom in for JasmyCoin? Are we heading further down to Goblin Town? If we start pumping to higher prices, where are we going to face resistance and how high can we go? We're also looking at JasmyCoin's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at JasmyCoin's market cap. Currently at $209 million, can we see JasmyCoin's market cap rally maybe to the $1.5 billion level before the end of this altcoin rally? All coins are dumping to Goblin Town right now. Should we continue buying them, or should we wait for them to finish dumping to Goblin Town before we continue our bear accumulation? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, chart analysis, if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
JasmyCoin is down 86.8% on a yearly time frame. Deep in the crypto bear market, all coins are known to dump pretty down to Goblin Town. If you take a look at a lot of all coins in the market, they're down 70%, 86%. Some coins are even down 100%. That's what you expect with all coins deep in the crypto bear market. JasmyCoin was launched somewhere in February of 2021 and it has been dumping to Goblin Town ever since. Even though we saw a huge pump from JasmyCoin in June of 2021, JasmyCoin gave us a huge pump to the upside, rallying up by more than 3,700%. But that rally ended in October of 2021, and in 123 days, JasmyCoin went up by more than 3,700%. But since then, since October of 2021, Jasmy has been dumping to Goblin Town, even dropping to new all-time lows, getting to the $0.0026 level. Right now, JasmyCoin is down 99.15% from the all-time high we set in October of 2021. Even though JasmyCoin started the year on a very bright note, we saw JasmyCoin pumping to the upside by more than 193%. We faced major bear market resistance at that level that we talked about in the previous video, and right now JasmyCoin has been dumping to Goblin Town since the middle of February of 2023. We have seen JasmyCoin go from as high as the $0.0078 level. JasmyCoin has retraced back to the $0.0042 region, dumping by more than 47%. All coins can be very volatile in both directions, to the upside and to the downside. We have seen JasmyCoin in the past give us a 3,000% pump to the upside. We have also seen it give us a 99% dump to the downside. The all-time low for JasmyCoin right now is at the $0.0027 level. There's always that possibility at some point in time in this bear market we will come back to test that all-time low. But guys, the altcoin season index is telling us we should be piling up on all coins right now. The altcoin season index is showing a Bitcoin month, and a Bitcoin month is for code for when to buy altcoins. The last time we saw a clear signal like this in the altcoin season index was in November of 2020, and after that we saw altcoins in the coming months and in the coming weeks rally up by 20, 30. Some of them even had 100x pumps to the upside. Before then, we saw this rally show. The last time we saw this signal before the last bull run that just happened was in the previous bear market, and that was in May of 2019. And after that, we saw all coins rallying into June of 2019, and that was the end of that bear market rally. So if we see that rally coming into the altcoin market, how high can JasmyCoin go? Assuming we'll find support before we get to the $0.0027 region. First, JasmyCoin will find resistance at the $0.0079 region. We just attempted to blast above that level in February, but we got rejected, and we saw JasmyCoin using that level as support since June of 2021. So that might be a very hard level for us to crack. We might have 2 different attempts before we continue pumping to higher prices. But when we're done from that level and we continue pumping to higher prices, that pump might be very violent and that pump might be quick to the upside. JasmyCoin might easily just rally to the $0.026 level, guys. Altcoins are eventually going to pump at some point in time in the future. The altcoin season index is saying you should pile in on altcoins right now. This is the clearest signal we have seen in a very long time. And even if you go in the altcoin season index on the yearly time frame, it's telling you this is the best time to buy altcoins since June of 2020. If you go for the altcoin season, when is altcoin season? Right now is Bitcoin month, and in Bitcoin month, Bitcoin season, Bitcoin year is the best time to buy altcoins, because after that we're going to be going to alt season, alt month, and alt year. And when we get there, you wish you had accumulated deep down here in Bitcoin year, Bitcoin season, and Bitcoin month, because according to this index, anytime we're in the Bitcoin season, Bitcoin month era, that's when you want to buy altcoins. Anytime you go to the altcoin season, altcoin tier, and altcoin month, that's when you want to be buying Bitcoin. So I believe we will see JasmyCoin pumping to higher prices in the coming days and the coming weeks, but we might also face resistance at the $0.048 level. If JasmyCoin will have to rally to that price point in this bear market, we'll have to see JasmyCoin rally by more than 900%. I don't think we'll get that high in this bear market rally. A very conservative price target would be around the $0.026 level. That will see JasmyCoin rallying by up to 500% from where we're currently trading. Guys, these are key levels to watch out for JasmyCoin in the coming days and in the coming weeks. If you're accumulating deep in the bear market with long-term investors, remember guys, it's altcoins. You don't want to go all in quickly. Altcoins can be very volatile to the downside and to the upside, and there's no guarantees that the bottom is in for JasmyCoin. We can easily continue dumping into gobbling town. So be very careful, and remember to dollar cost average into your position, so that in case we see that dump to the downside, you'll be able to have some capital to take advantage of that opportunity. JasmyCoin in the last 1 year has traded for as high as $0.04 and as low as $0.0027. With the market cap of $209 million, JasmyCoin has a fully diluted market cap of $220 million, currently ranked 146 on CoinMarketCap. More than 114,000 people have JasmyCoin on their watch list. If you want to buy or sell some JasmyCoin right now deep in the bear market, you can do that on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on KuCoin, on BitTop, on Kraken, on Bitfinex, on Bittrex, on SushiSwap, on Gate.io, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. If you take a look at JasmyCoin's performance against Bitcoin, we're dumping to gobbling town. We might be setting new lows in the coming days and the coming weeks. But guys, that's when you want to be buying JasmyCoin, because after we dump to gobbling town, then we'll start pumping to the moon, and we might just see JasmyCoin in the coming days and the coming weeks start outperforming both Bitcoin and Ethereum. We saw it dump into gobbling town aggressively against both Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bear market, because deep in the bear market, people are very scared. Deep in the bear market, people have seen their altcoins lose so much value. So you see them running to safety, and safety for us in the cryptocurrency market is Bitcoin and is Ethereum, and JasmyCoin is currently down 97% against Bitcoin. It's currently down 96% against Ethereum. But I expect that to change in the coming days and in the coming weeks. We might just see JasmyCoin rallying up to higher prices against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. We might easily see JasmyCoin give us 100 or a 200% pump to the upside in the coming days and in the coming weeks. If you take a look at JasmyCoin's market cap, which currently sits around $209 million, we saw the market cap for JasmyCoin in February rally to as high as $393 million. But there's a huge resistance waiting for JasmyCoin at that level. We might just see JasmyCoin rally to the previous all-time high we set in November of 2021, when JasmyCoin was trading around the $1.5 billion region. But JasmyCoin will need to pump by 600% to the upside. If JasmyCoin can only get to the $1 billion region in this rally that is going to come in coming days and the coming weeks, we might see JasmyCoin rally by around 389%. What will that mean for JasmyCoin price if we're rallying up by 389%? Guys, from where we're currently trading right now, it means we'll see JasmyCoin trade as high as a $0.021 level. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. As all coins are down bad, JasmyCoin is down 86.8%. Do you think the bottom is in for JasmyCoin? If the bottom is in and we're getting ready to pump to higher prices, how high do you see JasmyCoin pumping in the coming days and the coming weeks? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.